Hi guys, and welcome back to Charisma's Journey. I'm going to be showing y'all a little bit behind the scenes of how I came up with my labels for my initial launch for my candle business. So as you can see here, I'm using Canva. My socially distant, this is pretty much the beginning stages of how I came up with it, but it kind of looks pretty similar to the end stage. For the Cinnabon fragrance, the one called Cinnabundance, originally I wanted it to be called Cineglaze These Buns, and you can even see I put the little italics, like Cineglaze These Buns, but you guys know that I didn't stick with that. And I originally wanted my Quite Frank scent to be called The Journey. As you can see here, I was trying to figure out how to make this work. Yeah, I don't know what I was doing here, but I was trying to come up with something. So yeah, here's my baked. I didn't actually think I was going to stick with this name, but I'm glad I did. And I wanted it to be food originally because I'm a foodie and I can't help it. And you'll see as I go through the process that I do go from one project to the next and come back and reroute. That's just how my mind works. Doesn't work for a lot of people, but this is just how I work. This process did take several hours, so I do have this time lapse pretty fast. Shout out to the person that told me that my business took 10 minutes to launch. That's just unfortunately not the case, although that would be very impressive. If you would like a more in-depth, almost like a tutorial version of this video, I will be launching my spring line soon. I can show you from blank canvas all the way to the end product. But I did want to show you like the behind the scenes of, what software I use to create my labels, just in case you are coming out with your own products and you're not sure where to start. Canva is an amazing program, and during this time I did have the premium version of it, so I am able to use all of the images and all of the text. My membership is inactive, but I probably would recommend you getting the premium version of this because they just have so many benefits in doing so. You get higher quality images and text, as far as the fonts. My baked label actually did a full 180. It's completely different than what I was showing you earlier. And you can see I'm even starting to upload to Etsy. I'm uploading my pictures, uploading the descriptions of these products, and pretty much doing all of the back end, setting up my Etsy for launch. I do want to step up my quality this time around with my spring launch. I am really excited to come up with the concepts, like what I want my candle names to be, what kind of vibe I'm trying to set. And I guess branding, getting better at branding, making my logo a little bit more premium, I guess. And so yeah, this is just my process. You got to start somewhere. And if you're constantly worrying about perfection, most likely you're never going to move anywhere. So although there might be some people that don't really like your work, you have to start somewhere. One of my main concerns is like conveying the message behind why I started my business and what I want my products to feel like, the vibe. That's definitely what I'm focusing on, my vibe, and consistently branding myself, across the board. I definitely want to get better at my photos as well. I'm very impressed with my initial launch. I'm very happy with how my candles smell. And you know, I even like the names of them. So I'm really happy with this process, and I'm even more excited going forward. And lastly, here is my QR code that I created. I actually made them into stickers and I put them on the top of my lids. I'm debating if I want to continue with that concept this go around. Let me know what y'all think below. Should I put the QR codes on the top of the lids, or is that just weird? If you did enjoy this video, please consider leaving a like, comment, and subscribing. Once again, let me know below what you think about the QR codes.